Hey there and welcome to Eyes Power, your sanctuary for peace, relaxation, and healing. Whether you're here to calm your mind, sleep better, learn relaxation techniques, or simply take a deep breath away from daily stress, you're in the right place. If you enjoy this peaceful journey, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to join our growing community of serenity seekers. Let's dive in and let your mind unwind. The world doesn't slow down when the sun goes down. Messages keep coming. Thoughts keep racing. And stress doesn't know how to read the clock. That's why for so many of us, falling asleep feels like a battle. But it doesn't have to. In this video, we're going to walk through simple, science-backed tips to reduce stress before bed, so you can fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling truly rested. Let's begin with a simple truth. The way you end your day shapes the quality of your night. If your body is tense, if your mind is buzzing, if your breath is shallow, your nervous system is still in go mode. And your brain can't just flip a switch from high alert to deep sleep. It needs help. Tip number 1, establish a wind-down ritual. Just like children have a bedtime routine, adults need one too. 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to sleep, start slowing things down. Turn off bright lights. Silence notifications. Switch from screens to stillness. Create a routine you repeat every night. Maybe it's brushing your teeth, dimming the lights, stretching for 5 minutes, then playing ambient music. Routines signal to your body. It's safe. It's time to rest. Tip number 2, lower the lights. Bright, white, or blue light, like from your phone or overhead lights, blocks melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone your body produces to signal sleep. When the sun sets, your melatonin should rise. But artificial light stops that from happening. Try this instead. Use warm lamps, salt lights, or dimmed bulbs after sunset. Avoid screens for at least 30 minutes before bed. Your brain will thank you. Tip number 3. Breathe deeply and intentionally. When you're stressed, your breath becomes fast and shallow. That sends signals to your brain. We're in danger. But when you slow your breath, you calm your entire nervous system. Try this simple breathing technique right before bed. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat 4 to 6 times. It activates your parasympathetic system, your natural relaxation response. Tip number 4. Write it out. Stress often comes from what's unresolved in your mind. Thoughts about tomorrow. Regrets from today. One of the most effective ways to release mental clutter is to write it down. Keep a small journal next to your bed. Before sleep, write 3 things you're grateful for, 1 thing you're letting go of, 1 thing you're hopeful for tomorrow. It only takes 5 minutes, but it gives your brain permission to rest. Tip number 5. Use calming ambient music or healing frequencies. Music is powerful. It shifts brainwave patterns, slows the heart, relaxes the body. Frequencies like 432 Hz and 528 Hz are especially effective for reducing stress. They promote mental stillness, emotional healing, and deep inner peace. Choose instrumental tracks without lyrics. Let the sound wrap around you like a blanket. At Eyes Power, we design music exactly for this moment. Tip number 6. Create a sensory sanctuary. Your bedroom should be a temple for rest, not a workspace, not a storage closet, not a second living room. Use soft blankets. Light a candle or use essential oils like lavender, chamomile, or sandalwood. Make your bed feel like an invitation. Every sense matters. What you see, low lighting, clean space. What you smell, relaxing scents. What you hear, calm music or silence. What you feel, comfortable fabrics and pillow support. Tip number 7. Let go of the need to fall asleep. This might sound strange, but the pressure to sleep can actually keep you awake. Instead of thinking, I must fall asleep now, shift your mindset to, I'm just resting. My body knows what to do. Focus on the moment, not the outcome. That simple shift can dissolve tension and allow sleep to arrive naturally. Tip number 8. Disconnect to reconnect. Phones, messages, scrolling, these keep your brain in input mode. You never get the chance to just be. Before bed, put your phone in another room or across the room. If you use it for sleep music or meditation, set it and leave it. Let your last 30 minutes be about stillness, not stimulation. And now, let's do a quick recap. Set a calming nightly routine. Dim your lights after sunset. Practice deep breathing exercises. Write your thoughts in a small journal. Use ambient music or healing frequencies. Create a cozy, peaceful sleep environment. Release the pressure to fall asleep. Disconnect from devices before bed. These practices aren't complicated. They're small shifts. But together, they create a powerful signal to your body. You are safe. You can rest. You are home. And that's what sleep really is, a return to safety. A reset. A soft landing at the end of your day. Tonight, choose one of these tips. Try it. See how it feels. Then add another tomorrow. And another after that. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Sleep is not just about time, it's about quality. And your quality of sleep begins with your quality of stillness. Let go. Slow down. And trust that you deserve rest. At Eyes Power, we're here to guide you every night. One breath, one note, one moment at a time. Thank you for being here and sharing this moment of peace with us. If this video helped you relax or learn something new, please support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing. It really helps us keep creating this calm space for you. Until next time, stay peaceful, stay mindful. And remember, your well-being matters.